That's the camera.
Is it okay?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay.
Okay,
Make sure you put it in your face.
yes. Oh. Hi, Daddy.
Hi.
What are you building?
I'm putting together the cat tower. We have to take it down for cleaning.
The light makes it so bright.
Yeah.
Like on the camera, it's even brighter.
Yeah, we can't fix that though. Wait a second.
What?
There.
Here. Oh! Oh, yeah. Maybe that's why we have less pizzas.
No, I was doing it the same time last time.
Okay.
I mean, the same way, not the same time.
Yeah.
I'm an idiot.
Can't do it this
I can't
time.
talk right.
Here's an N. Wait, I want to find the entire alphabet and numbers.
In order?
Yeah.
Okay, start with 1.
1.
Go 1, 2, 3. Oh, use the
There's-
1. I found 1.
1. Where did 2 go? That's a 5.
Oh, found the 2 over here.
2. Oops, that's the 2. Sideways. That kind of looks like an S.
I think
3.
the 3. Oh, yeah. The 3, I think, is this color.
3. That's the 8.
I know, but I think it's that color.
3.
Oh, you found it.
Here it is, the 3. It's a mustache.
Oh, you forgot 0.
Oh, yeah, 0. Is there a 4? Yeah, I think there's a 4.
Yeah,
I think it's in that color.
Yeah.
Oh, whoops, I bounced the
It's
camera.
yellow and green. Oh, there it is.
Oh, yeah, 4. 4. 5.
You found the 5 earlier.
Is there a 6?
Yeah, there's a 6.
How
It's blue and red. Here it is.
Blue red. 6. Or
No,
okay.
the 9 is the green.
green. Here's the 9. It's upside down so it's a 6 to you. Okay, so we found all the numbers. Now for
Wait, did you find all? Oh, yeah, you found all
Yeah.
the way up to 9. Okay.
No.
Now you
Here's the
start
upside
with
down A.
A,
Where's the
B.
B?
I found the B behind you.
Oh,
It's behind you.
I don't see
No,
it.
to your right.
No.
Your right. The other side. Okay. Further to the right. Further to the right. No, stop going towards the wall. No. It's here.
Oh. There's the B.
Not O. B.
C. C. And here's the C. Backwards C. I don't look a moon. D.
Yeah, the D is right here.
Oh. D.
I need E.
E. Oh,
It's
that's the
a
F.
red color.
Red color. That's the K. Oh, here it is.
Oh, good.
There's the E.
Good job. Now F. Oh, that's behind you.
F. It's upside down.
And G. I think the G is green.
G. Not J.
Like this one?
Yeah.
But, oh, there it is behind you.
Oh, yeah.
Next to the F.
G. G's. Cheese. Here.
G's.
F, G, H. Right?
Yep.
H.
A, C, D, E, F, G, H.
Where's the I?
Yeah, did we lose that I again?
Where's the I? Oh, it's over here.
Oh, good, you found the I.
J, I think.
Yeah, J.
Oh, how old am I?
The J is probably somewhere on the K.
Oh, yeah, it's upside down. There. K, where's the K? K. And now, okay, just have to switch music. L. L, upside down L, kind of like a scythe.
Oh, yeah, the L. Yeah, those kind of look like a side.
What was after L?
M.
M. I know where the M is. Or last
I might have
letter.
used it.
M.
Yep, there it is.
N.
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 O.
Oh. The P, the O is right there. It's O. So here's the, and then the goes P.
P is somewhere. Pink. P is pink.
P for pink. Or P for P. No,
Here it is.
Oh, P and G. Just kidding. What's that P and G?
It's a file type.
Oh. Q. Oh, Q. There's the R. Oh,
Here it is.
here's the R. I know what comes next. S.
I used the S, I think. Yep, here it is. To the S.
I know that
I picked it up. I said that it's this color.
Oh, D.
They're referring to something.
Where's the
Can you pass me the gay?
Yeah.
I just want to say a fun fact. The original definition of gay was happy, so the reason I put this here is because it's a joke.
Yeah.
It's a joke.
Yeah, we're happy.
I thought it would be funny if I said, "Can you pass me the gay?"
Okay. What number was I on?
We're on S.
S. Still can't find the S.
I know I picked up the S.
Camera's
earlier.
gonna die.
Oh, I need to get the S was right here all along. Okay,
Okay.
now that the camera is charged, find the letter T.
T.
I know where it is.
Really?
Can't fit. It's inside.
Wait.
I don't fit.
It's
over here.
What?
It's over here.
Oh.
Follow me.
Okay. Hang on.
Here it is.
T. T.
Now, U.
T. U. U. U.
Oh, V.
V.
W. Oh, I'm standing on it.
W. Where's the X? Where's the X? Where is the X? Maybe it's inside. Yeah.
It's like find X.
I don't think it's in here. I don't see it.
Shut up, Spotify.
I can't find it.
Where is the silly X?
Oh, I found it.
You did? Oh, good.
Y. Here's the Y.
And the Z. I found the Z.
Z.
Good job. You found the entire alphabet.
Yay.
Woo. Okay.
Ow. Mommy, I found the alphabet.
Good job.
And I counted to 9. Ow. That didn't hurt.
Who wants to find Halloween costumes?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
I like Halloween costumes. Last year I was a chef. You were always a chef. Oh,
I don't remember. I don't remember you being a chef.
You were a chef every year. No, I wasn't.
Yeah, there was that one time she wasn't a chef.
I was a rock, I think.
mean, what was it again? Crookshanks? Hey, Crookshanks?
Daddy.
What?
Your name is Daddy.
No, it's Crookshanks.
I didn't know that.
You can call me Daddy.
Okay, Daddy.
I found your boot.
Don't worry.
Oh, here's your other boot. Yes, I am
Okay.
now Puss in Rainbow Fluffy Boots. Because, you know, Puss in Boots.
That's cool.
I mean, I kind of look like Puss in Boots.
Yeah.
So it's like,
Excuse
I'm Puss in
me.
Rainbow Fluffy Boots. I wear this as my Halloween costume every year.
What should I have for my costume?
I don't know. Weren't you wearing weren't you a super beanie or something last year?
Yeah, I was a superhero. I have an idea. I'll put the camera down. You can put the camera down.
Ooh, you're a
shoe.
duffel pad.
No, I'm a shoe. Okay. Now I'm a duffel pad. Wait, what's a duffel pad?
It's a thing from Narnia with only one foot.
I'm a duffel pad.
That's adorable. Oh,
I
you
know.
lost your foot. Here.
Okay. Oh, I keep dropping the camera.
I'm gonna sort these clothes into different costumes. Oh, look, an eye patch. Ooh.
Well, now you're Puss in Boots.
Puss in Boots with a pirate eye patch. Show the camera. Arr, I'm a pirate. pajamas.
Who wants to be in pajamas? Wait,
Who wants to wear pajamas for Halloween?
that doesn't
They don't
make
even have a tail hole. Why do we even have these?
Oh, she's over there. Okay.
Wait here. Look at me, I'm a monster. Wow.
Rah. We're costume monsters.
Rah.
What do you want to be for Halloween, Luna?
A pancake.
I want to be a carrot.
I found this dress. Anyone want a rainbow dress?
I don't want a rainbow dress.
No, I think it'll only fit. Wait, this is too big for me.
Maybe it will fit me.
Yeah, maybe. I'll put it in this box here. The maybe box.
What would I use as what that? I can't speak.
I don't know.
Yeah.
This is just an ordinary shirt.
Hmm.
Should I put the shirt on?
Nah.
I'm just walking around shirtless.
I mean, we all walk.
Sleeping bags?
I want to be a sleeping bag for Halloween. Do you want to be a sleeping bag for Halloween? Nah.
These are actually up to chef hats.
Oh. Why do I have two of them?
A shoe.
A shoe? A June day.
Look, it's a shoe.
Here's the match.
It's the mate.
It's rainbow.
Ooh, rainbows. Don't we all love rainbows?
Rainbow is awesome.
Yeah, rainbows are awesome.
I found a backpack. What is that?
Oh, yeah, this belongs to the
Oh.
fairy princess costume.
I found
a backpack. You could pretend to get ready for school or something.
Is something in it?
No. I made sure it was empty when I put it away.
Yeah, okay.
Anyone want to wear this?
Maybe.
I'll
Maybe
put it in
box.
the maybe box. Get off my hand. How about this rainbow heart shirt?
Oh, that's cool. Pretty.
Maybe. It's not exactly a
oh.
costume. Oh, thank you for the rainbow fairy one. It's not rainbow. I'm an idiot.
I didn't even touch it.
The fairy princess one.
Yes.
Okay. Sweater.
For when it's chilly outside. I think it fits me. Could be wrong though.
Skirt.
Pretty.
Yep, it's a rainbow skirt.
The camera can't even see you. You're so white. The camera can barely see you. What are you doing, Mom?
Putting a hat on. Look at it.
That's weird.
Yeah, it's meant for humans.
Hmm.
We don't even have any human friends.
Nope. Camera's low battery.
Not again. I'll charge it. We'll keep going through cameras off screen. I mean, clothes. We'll keep going through costumes off screen.
We will go through camera battery.
I can't talk straight today.
I'm gonna be a rock for Christmas. Not for
For Halloween. Gonna be a rock for
Yeah,
Halloween.
I'm a rock for Halloween. All I need to do is take off my collar.
I'm Harry Potter.
I'm a sweeping bag.
Sweeping bag.
I'm a sweeping.
Show off your costumes. Siamese patterned cats. Siamese cat and Himalayan.
I'm a
Fairy princess.
Yeah, I'm a fairy princess. And I'm a rainbow rock star.
I'm a present.
I'm a rock.
You rock. I don't understand the joke, but it's funny. Do you want to hold the camera?
Okay, wait, I can't.
Take your costume off.
Oh, okay. Just for now.
Yeah, just for now. You want to show my costume? I'm a tourist.
I thought you were on vacation.
Yeah, I'm a tourist on vacation.
Oh, Daddy,
Yeah?
you're a pirate.
He's a pirate. And look, I have
It's rain.
rainbow boots. I'm actually Puss in Rainbow Fluffy Boots. Because, you know, Puss in Boots. But I have an eye patch because it's cool.